Now, after having a preview about present perfect tense, we are moving towards the exercises of present perfect tense from your English Grammar and Composition 9-10. So here you have this book. Just open up this book, and I'm going to open page number 81 from this. Yes, I have this book, and I have opened. So now here you have this first exercise on page number, this is your page number 81, and now you have this exercise on this book. I am going to tell you all the sentences and how you have to make these sentences, how you have to translate these sentences in fact. So the very first one is clock 4 baja chuka hai. Now in this sentence, clock is a subject, baja chuka is a verb, and at the end it is a chuka hai, so it is a singular thing, and char is an object. So the clock has struck 4 o'clock. उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं, it means we have a plural subject. There are more than one people in this sentence. So उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं. The candidates have solved the paper. मेहमान खसूसी इनाम तकसीम कर चुका है. The guest has distributed a special gift or a special reward. Or you may say the guest of honor has distributed a gift. प्रिंसिपल ने तलबा को असनाद दे दी हैं. The principal has distributed certificates to students. टीमें मैच खेल चुकी हैं. The teams have played the match. अदालत मेरे हक़ में फ़ैसला दे चुकी है. The court has decided in my favor. बोर्ड ने नतीजे का ऐलान कर दिया है. The board has declared the result. चोर घर में नकब लगा चुके हैं. The thieves, 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 the thieves have broken into the house. मैं ये तस्वीर बेच चुका हूँ. I have sold this picture. नसीमा ने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया है. Now this sentence ends at लिया है, or it would be like नसीमा इम्तिहान पास कर चुकी है. So there are two conditions for present perfect tense. First one is here, and you may also say that नसीमा इम्तिहान पास कर चुकी है. So these both are present perfect tense. So नसीमा has passed examination. बशीर वजीफ़ा हासिल कर चुका है. Bashir has gotten or Bashir has got a scholarship. You may write got or gotten, both are correct. तमाम परिंदे उड़ चुके हैं. All the birds have flown away. हम बंदूक चला चुके हैं. We have fired a gun. मैच बगैर हार जीत के ख़त्म हो चुका है. The match has ended in a draw. फ़ौज ने किले पर कब्ज़ा कर लिया है. Now this is the same one. फ़ौज ने किले पर कब्ज़ा कर लिया है या फ़ौज किले पर कब्ज़ा कर चुकी है. These two are same. These two are for present perfect tense. So the army has captured the fort. So this is the exercise, and this exercise is on page number 81. And the very first sentence of this exercise is clock 4 baja chuka hai. So this exercise is your classwork. Write down all these statements in your English grammar notebooks, and then do translate according to I have told you all the cases or scenarios. Do translate all these sentences as your classwork in your grammar notebooks. And after this we have exercise number 2. Yes, and we have the exercise number 2 on page number 82. Here you have this exercise. This exercise number 2 is your homework. You have to do this exercise 2 as your homework in your English grammar notebooks. So what is about this exercise? So उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की है. So these are sentences. These all are of negative type of sentences. This exercise is negative sentences of present perfect tense. The very first one was about affirmative type of sentences, and this one is negative one. So we are going to solve this. Now उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की है. They have not searched for the lost child. आपने मेरी दरख्वास्त मंजूर नहीं की है. You have not accepted my application. अदालत ने मुल्ज़िम की दरख्वास्त पर गौर नहीं किया है. The court has not considered द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कल्प्रिट, उसने अपनी बीवी पर एतमाद नहीं किया है। ही हैज़ नॉट ट्रस्टेड हिज वाइफ, चौकीदार ने अपना फ़र्ज़ अदा नहीं किया है। द वॉचमैन हैज़ नॉट फुलफिल्ड हिज ड्यूटी, तमाम मेहमान नहीं आ चुके हैं। ऑल द गेस्ट्स हैव नॉट अराइव्ड, you have to write all the guests, GUESTS guest, because this is a plural subject, आ चुके हैं। खिलाड़ियों को सर्द मशरूब नहीं दिए गए हैं। The players have not served cold drinks, कामयाब उम्मीदवार को असनाद नहीं दी गई हैं। The progressive candidates or the successful candidates have not given certificates,